Hey guys, it's Sahara. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Before I start today's video, I just want to mention that I will be doing a separate video that is coming very soon. It is going to be a tribute video to Kobe Bryant, his daughter Gianna, the 7 others that were lost on a helicopter as well. I'm also thinking about putting my grandpa in there because I lost him back in 2018, and also Cameron Boyce as well because he had a huge effect on us when he passed away in 2019. So that will be in the next video. Definitely didn't want to put that in this video, but I do want to say before I start this video, rest in peace to Kobe Bryant, his daughter Gianna, and the 7 others after that helicopter crash yesterday, Sunday. Today's video is going to be my skincare routine. I've been saying that I was going to do that since last year, and I was like, I have got to get that video out before I do anything else. I don't necessarily have like acne prone skin. My acne comes from the things that I eat and drink, like when I eat greasy foods like chips, and bad foods like cookies, of course, and especially when I drink soda because of the acid and anything else. I don't eat fried foods. Well, I think some fried foods I do eat that I don't even realize, like French fries from McDonald's. I'm pretty sure those are fried, not baked. So, and I try to drink water to really clear up my skin a lot, so I do want to mention that. And for the most part, I do have dry skin, with the exception of my nose that gets oily, which I don't understand because when I put a matte primer on my nose, it dries it out. When I wear a mattifying foundation, like, it will cling to dry patches, so I don't understand what's happening right here, but whatever. We're just gonna go ahead and get started because I don't want this video to be extra long. So the first thing I like to start off with, my face is red. I didn't even notice. My face gets red all the time anyway. The first thing I'm gonna start with is this right here. These are Bio Swiss eyebrow razor slash bikini line trimmers. I only use them on the face. I use them to get rid of peach fuzz, to get rid of dead skin, and to also clean up my brows, which I might do today because they are looking pretty wild, which is giving me a little bit more of a hard time when I do apply makeup. And I buy these because they are longer, so it's a little bit more gentle on the face. They do have smaller ones that I used to buy, but I do not like them. Let's see, how am I going to do this? I need this mirror closer to me, and there's a lot of wires. Okay, that's not going to work. Can't do that. Let's see. Can I put the mirror right here? I'm gonna see, can I put the mirror on my laptop without it falling? Okay, perfect. And we can still see. The mirror is not in the way. My mirror is right here, so that's what you guys will see. But anyway, what I like to do is I like to just start from here and work my way up. Never scraping it down, like shaving it downwards. I always like to go upwards with it. It just really smooths out the skin, and it makes makeup application go on smoother. This is also, I think, what they call dermaplaning, but this is like at home dermaplaning. This is probably what they'll do if you go and get that done. And probably also just use like a sharper razor as well. This one is pretty sharp, but it's, you know, it's not professional sharp. And I also don't apply any water or any oil or anything before doing this. I just do it on dry skin. And there's so much hair around here. I couldn't wait to do this because I'm like, my skin needs this detox so bad. Look at all this stuff that's happening right here. But that's my fault because I have been eating chips. And you also just want to just do it really gently, because I know sometimes I'm just like, I want to hurry up and get it done, and I'll end up with a scrape on my face, and I'm like, a scrape, scratch, scrape, scraps. Okay, this razor is starting to get dull, so I'm going to use the last one that I have. I'm going to need to buy some more of these because they're so good. And by the way, I do want to mention that I do not use these razors and the peel off mask that I'm going to do next. I don't do this every day or every week. I do it, I think I do the razors probably like twice a month, maybe once a month, and then the peel off mask probably once a month. I just wipe this on here, but that right there is just dead skin. So that's what I'm saying, like this razor is really good at getting rid of the dead skin, and that's basically what they do in dermaplaning. Just going to razor down my eyebrows a little bit. Like I said in my other video, I haven't been razoring down my eyebrows as much anymore because last time I did it, I took off a little bit too much and they weren't growing back right. Like, as you guys can see, even though I just razored that down, I'm pretty sure before you'd be able to see that this side is thicker than this one. And it used to didn't be like that, so I think it's from me doing this so much. I used to get my eyebrows waxed, but my skin is like way too sensitive. And then I will go underneath. I tried to make sure not to get my eyelashes. I just took off a little bit more on the ends of this brow, and I actually like that a little bit better. I feel like my eyebrow hairs, like, they just too much sometimes. Okay, that's a little bit better. Now they're thinner. I like them when they're thinner. So I really do need to cut the sides of my hair. I also cut my sideburns. I used to always shave the side of my hair right here when I shave the back of my hair, but yeah, I need to. It's getting my nerves. I'm gonna I have my scissors right here. This is not my skincare routine, but usually I end up doing this when I'm doing my skincare routine anyway. Ooh, that piece of hair. I just cut it right on off. Alright, see, that looks better because, like, I hate when it sticks out right there. Next thing I am going to do is use this Joa Beauty Skin Polish Peel Off Mask. This is the gold one. I had the black one, but I used it all up. So this one tightens, firms, lifts, and detoxifies. I have so much hair. And you want to make sure that when you are using a peel off mask, razor your face like I just did before so it does not take off any excess hair than what it needs to. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just went and put that close under my eyes. No, I'm not even gonna wipe it off because it says to tighten, firm, lift, and detoxify. Who doesn't want to tighten, lift, and firm the under eye area? So I thought that was a smart move to put that on. Every time I apply the peel off mask, it hurts so bad to peel it off. So that was a stupid move to do that. But what I'm gonna do is just let this sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Usually about 30 minutes is what I need to get this to dry. You're supposed to layer it on pretty thick. So yeah, I'm gonna have to let this dry off camera and I will be right back to peel this off. Alright, so time to remove this peel off mask that's been on for well over an hour. It always hurts the worst on the top of the cheeks. Oh, okay. That came off easier than I thought. I still have some pieces left on my face, but I'll get those off when I wash my face. For my everyday skincare, what I usually use is this Equate Beauty cleanser. It's an apricot cleanser. Invigorating cleanse, gently exfoliates to reveal smooth, healthy looking and beautiful skin. Here has those exfoliating beads in there, and the reason that I like an exfoliating bead cleanser is because it really scrubs the skin and it makes sure to get all the dead skin off, and it makes sure to remove all the dead skin. I have also been using the moisturizing facial wash by Simple in the hydrating light moisturizer. Sometimes I'll use this, and then for moisturizer I'll use like the Fresh Lotus collection that I have been using as well, because not only does that come with a moisturizer, but it also comes with an eye cream. But for my skincare that I usually do every single day, I'll use like the apricot cleanser, and then I'll also use the L'Oreal moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer, especially in the summertime, because it's lightweight, it's very thin on the skin, it's very hydrating and moisturizing, and it also leaves the face with a glow. So this is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius for normal to dry skin. They also have one for oily skin. I'm like all the way down here in it because I usually use it all the time, but like I said, since I received those new products, I've been switching out so I don't use up my good stuff, especially since, like I said, this is better for the summertime. I'm still going to use it today because, like I said, I want to do my skincare routine that I usually use. I'm actually going to apply it here and then wash it off in the bathroom, but I'm not going to take you guys with me because I really don't feel like removing the camera. It's like my camera is stationed right now and I do not feel like removing it, so I don't want my hair to get wet. So yeah, those are those little brown things that are in the cleanser. So since I'm not by some moisturizer, since I'm not by a sink with water, I'm just going to rub my skin now and just wash it off. And I really like to get my nose with this. Sometimes I will use like a nose strip, which is like just a peel off mask but for the nose, and that really also helps get rid of the textured dead skin on the nose as well, because my nose is bad, okay, like it's really bad. All right, so I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Sometimes I swear I think it takes me like 20 minutes just to wash my face off, just to wash the cleanser off, because there's so many beads around my face. Dang, my face looks red. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal moisturizer. And see, this is how it is. It does run a little bit. It contains, see, has no color to it, but it does leave the skin feeling really glowy. It does contain aloe, so if you are allergic to aloe vera or anything like that, you probably won't enjoy using this, but I do. I'm going to use this EOS balm, apricot. So that is the end to this skincare routine. So before I started this video, I received a package from Influencer, and you guys know I always do Influencer unboxing videos. The last one was during Halloween, so this one just came in today. It says, "Just for you, Influencer." This is called the Good Vibes Vox Box. I received 4 things. So the first thing I received is this EOS shave cream. This is the Shea Better Shave Cream 24-Hour Moisture. It contains shea oil, shea butter, shave plus, and shower lotion, and works wet or dry. And this has a pink citrus scent. So you can use this in the shower, out of the shower, and it has like that lotion that's supposed to like protect and condition the skin within it. So can't wait to use this. And it is a full-size bottle as well. Let's see, do they have the price? Sometimes they add the price. No, this time they did not add the price to this, so I don't know, but it is full size. The next thing I received is this Biore. This is the Love Your Pores Rose Quartz plus Charcoal, great for oily skin. I have dry skin, but I still use oily skin products sometimes. So this deep cleanse and radiate self-love. Daily Purifying Cleanser. So this is 1 fluid ounce. It's pretty big for like a sample. Let me use my quotes. My sample size. So I'm pretty sure this may be full size. I'm not too sure, but you do get a lot of product in here. I see it is open. It did not have a seal on it, so I do not know if it's been used or not, but I mean, you just squeeze it out, so it's not that serious. It smells really good. It smells like, it has like a rosy scent to it, so I guess like a rose petal, fresh scent, something like that. I'll give you guys my thoughts on all of these products, but in another video. I don't need to tear my skin up anymore. Next thing is this Biore Free Your Pores Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strip. So I do love pore strips. Get rid of blackheads, whiteheads on the nose. I love them. I actually like this better for the nose rather than a peel off mask. For some reason, no peel off mask that I've ever tried helps the I just said it. The blackheads and whiteheads on my nose. It does smooth out my skin like a lot, but it does not get rid of it like this does. I don't know what's different about these, but this is really good. I only received one nose strip. And then the last thing I received is a Nutella, the hazelnut spread with cocoa. I remember I used to buy Nutella jars. Oh my gosh, why can I not speak? I think it's from tearing my skin up the way I did. It's like I can't even speak anymore. I used to buy these Nutella jars and just like stick my finger in there and just lick it off that way. Some people spread it on bread like as a peanut butter sandwich, but I do not like Nutella on bread. Like, I've tried it on every type of bread and I do not like it at all, so I'll just like lick it off. Nutella, I'm just eating what's on the cap. You know something? This would probably taste really good on strawberries. And Valentine's Day is coming up, so just giving you guys a heads up. I think I bought Nutella like once in my life and I had to stop because I'm like, this is too fattening. I just knew it. It tastes like a melted Hershey's bar, but if it was from a different brand that nobody knew about, that's what it tastes like. Hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions about my skin type or any of the products I have mentioned in this video today, please don't forget to leave your comments down below and I will answer them. Bye.